Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many users face when setting up a Samba share. The problem we're addressing is related to authentication issues and access restrictions in a Samba setup on an Ubuntu server, specifically when trying to allow access to a public share without authentication while restricting access to another share. Now, diving into the solution provided, we identified a few key steps to resolve the authentication and access issues. First, we made adjustments to the Samba configuration by ensuring that encryption is enabled, setting the server to require at least smb.2 protocol, and updating the server to support encryption for connections. These changes help in establishing secure and successful connections between the Samba server and Windows machines, allowing for smoother access to the shared directories. In summary, by following the steps outlined in the solution, including the necessary configurations in the smb.conf file, and ensuring that user accounts are set up both on the Linux system and in Samba, you can overcome authentication challenges and access restrictions in your Samba setup. Remember to restart the Samba server after making these changes to apply the updated configurations effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you in resolving your Samba share issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any other tech topics you'd like to see covered. See you in the next one.